Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On really doing. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and don't like only if you're new. If you're watching long time, like the video, people, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment below, and share my channel. So currently I'm in the process of doing my makeup because I just posted in my community section, if you guys haven't seen that, where I finally decided that I am going to do the Panama requested video that you guys have been asking about. So that is what I am currently doing. I'm gonna comb my ear. See my ear thin, people, my ear. If it's how I comb it, it just a drop out. It a grow up, but it a drop out. I don't know how that is even possible to happen here, but that's what's going on. So I'm currently at my makeup right here. So we're gonna sit down and record them video there. So I'll keep you guys posted with whatever is gonna happen for the rest of this evening, because it's Monday and the evening the day basically almost over. When me say it's Monday, I laugh about something my babe I talk about last week, and babe said, but I don't know, but I go say today on Monday, whatever, like we're talking about something, I just fall in. Anyways, we're not gonna get it. But anyways, it just went on my brain, went on my head. I'm thinking it just kind of funny at the moment, just know I'm not gonna laugh, but I'm never gonna laugh. Did that make sense? I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, this is what up, this is what is up. So anything, but I'm through the rest of this evening, I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, big up on yourself. Yeah, so I decided that while I'm doing this, why not just do like a chit chat with Uno and kind of do my makeup and whatever. So yeah, cause kind of locking on videos, and I am doing this 10-day to the 25th vlog series. Hopefully Tashi can carry out the task there. The lights are gonna bother me here. Hopefully I can carry out that task. Yeah, so 10 days to the 25th, and that is like posting videos 10 days to the 25th. I mean, that kind of speaks for itself. So 25th is my birthday. Can we not have the light right there? The 25th of October is going to be my 24th birthday. I'm gonna be 24 years old, and lighting not bad, not sure. And I was saying to myself that why not just drop one of them series there. I've never done like a series here on the channel where I have like the teacher series, but other from that I've literally not done any other series. So I was saying that why not just try that out and see how best I can, you know, dedicate myself to that. And yeah, so I posted in the community section of my channel too as well, where I ask persons to state if they were born in the month of October, and also if they fall in the section where they are a Scorpio, they should comment it and let me know. And I think I only saw 2 persons comment. Not sure what it is like right now, but yeah. But my birthday is on the 25th. Keep me at similar time I said, so you can't miss it. You cannot miss it. If you tell me I say, people, you can't miss it. If you miss it a lie, you come tell me. So you never remember lie. Yeah, you may talk lie, you go tell me. So weekend was just gone. I was saying to babe that last year, this time, babe, me shut the door, yeah, the music loud. Last year this time, well, not this time, no, but last year, the weekend that just went by, we were at Hilton Rose Hall in Montego Bay. And this year we never do nothing to the pre-birthday. So like, you know, pre-birthday celebration, pre-weekend, whatever you call it, something there, we never do nothing. So yeah, never do nothing. So that's what's up. Just here, can't wait for the birthday to come. Not sure what it's going to feel like for this year, but hopefully something different. Hopefully something different. Like, would I appreciate something different? Like, yeah. So I was saying to Babe that last night that for my birthday this year, I would really love to make it like represent my growth. Like, you know, I am getting older and I don't want to do like things that aren't within my growth. So like my seems to be able to like presence and support for this year. Like, we always go out. Like, I remember last year in the birthday vlog I was talking about how when you go to hotel and them stuff there, like it's a present, and you know, because money have to pay and all them something there. But I don't know, you see more present along with it. I don't know the birthday gonna be like for this year, but yeah, the lighting just all up in the video, not true. Yeah, so as I said before, I'm going to be 24. I want to know, how do you guys, if you have surpassed the age 24, how was it for you? Like, you're getting closer to the quarter century milestone. By the grace of God, I will live to see that. But how, like, what did you guys do? Did you guys feel as if when I get old? And I don't feel like I'm getting old, but I was like, two things reflect age to me. Like when we're talking about birthday. Let me talk about birthday. I remember talking to Adene's mom. She was saying that when she reached like 40 or something, but she don't want, like, she's not interested in a birthday again. But I am curious, like, why do we get excited in these age gaps? What, not age gap, but these age range, like from your teen coming into your 20s, coming to your 30s, and when you touch out like about 35, like, I'm not reach your age yet, but why is it that people don't get fascinated by their birthday? She was saying that because they get older and nobody wants to get old. That is true. I don't know if God allows me to live to see that age. Will I feel the same way? Like, as if I don't want to. I'm not excited about my birthday, because I'm a birthday girl, you know. I'm a birthday girl. So anytime my birthday I come up, I start planning long time and long in advance, and just think about the things that I want to do and all of that. So I don't know. And me have on don't allow you to do that but me naked. No, don't do that. So yeah, like, but comment down below, guys. Like, I would love for you guys to comment when we can communicate with me. Like, that is the best part of YouTube, when somebody watch your video, them like it and them comment. Honestly, when I have a video and I see the likes like striking up, I'm happy. So yeah, comment down below when it's like your birthday. Are you a birthday person? I also posted over Instagram too, in same topic, birthday. Like, I was asking people, what is your love language? Like, comment, what is your love language? Like, my love language is gifts. I like gifts, anything of gift, planning stuff, organizing stuff, sharing stuff, offering gifts, that whole surprise thing. That's just me. That's my love language. That's just me. So what's your love language? Do you know your love language? If you don't know your love language, then you can go on YouTube, go on Google, search about love language, and you will see about different accents of love, how people share love, how people like to receive love, like them look or something there. Yeah, so the birthday I come up, people, as me say, I can't wait for it, and I hope it's going to be like really what I expect it to be. Can you have expectations in COVID? Of course you can. Well, okay, of course you can. We just have to kind of set the routine in this frame where we know say things that are like not the same. Me saying things are not the same, and every time I go on Instagram I see people out there partying and so forth. Wow. So yeah, but for me things are not the same. And for contour, people, I was using my Fenty Beauty. This is Fenty Beauty. I have this for so long. Coconutty. So long I have this. I need to brush off the little something, a little baking, you know. I'm not gonna put on a lash. I can't bother with that. The lash glue that I have, it really irritates my eyes. So I don't really want to use it right now. I'm gonna brush out with the setting powder with my little Fit Me 332. Yeah, so I was asking like, what did I say? What last thing I say a while ago? Remember? And I say I remember. You remember what I said a while ago? I remember. Oh God, I remember. Like, yeah. I don't know. This year, well, for me, growing, I don't normally have friends to like celebrate birthday with. So friends in the picture is not like a thing for me. Like ever since growing, me and friends, just the only friend I have that lasts long is Moya. So I don't know if I'm the problem, but I don't normally have friends that last long. And to be honest with you, last long sound like I'm the problem, but to be honest with you, I mean, I can be this person where, you know, and I can be this person where, yeah. So for you to be friends with me, you'd have to understand me, and I think that's where a lot of persons fail. That is one thing. And also, I would not say somebody to compromise your level of comfort just to be friends with me. Yep. But for me, I tend to not normally have a lot of friends because I don't mesh with people. Like, we just always be a loner, and if I have friends, they're friends that I share like my growth, try to share my growth with, like the financial aspect of my life, the mental aspect of my life, the physical aspect of my life, the emotional aspect of my life. And they always turn around crushing my feelings, and I'm a straight up person. Like, if I don't crush my feelings, then bro, it not gonna work. So yeah, most of my friends they betray me. I mean, easily like look on things as betrayal, like most of them. So right now I don't really have friends, and I do have people who are supposed to be my friends, but we don't communicate that much. So I call myself a person without friends. So, and am I worried about that? Nope, because I find myself growing more now that I have to really sit and figure out who I really am. So because I have to sit and figure out who I really am, it really allows me to grow in the way that I want to grow. If you don't get what I say, what me not all over the place with the conversation. So yeah, so my real only friend now would be Maya. Me just and also, as me say, if you can't understand me, then it's not gonna work. Me just get up and cut off people. So like, yeah, talk now, and me just feel some type of energy between me and you. Like, if you're not looking out for me, then I'm gonna cut you off. If me realize say like we're not meshing in that way, me just gonna cut you off, I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm the type of friend too where if you can't take your phone and call me and say, hey Tash, what's up, what one, blah blah blah, you only call me when you want something, then oops, me gonna cut you off. So that's me. As me say, I'm difficult. If you can't, you know, understand me, then it's not gonna work. So my friend that I have is literally across the world, and I mean, I'm okay with her. It's like, especially now COVID time, like I don't want no company to go nowhere, and if I'm going nowhere, I just pack up my man back at me and we'll go. Like, yeah, him just want to situate so wherever we are gonna make sense and him tag along. So listen, when them time, yeah, if people don't mean to go, don't push them away. Push them away. And as me say, and if you guys didn't know, I am an only child in terms of my mother. I am the only child for my mother. I do have brothers and sisters by my father's side, but I guess because we're not the same mother and father, there's not a bond like this. So it's like we are all only children to our parents. So yeah, but it's what it is. So it's just like with your sister and brother, it's like, hi and bye, how are you, this, that. And I agree with that. I think that should be happening. Yeah, I don't know, but that's actually what's happening. So I'm just work with the flow. And I have a sister who is English. And when we say English, she is British. When we say British, she born and grow at England. And we don't communicate. Like, boo. She don't know which part I world me there, I don't know which part I world she there. So like too much information, but yeah, I mean we touch upon the topic, but yeah. So just like blush me at the ear. So these days I like add the blush, like really not focus on the makeup your thing right where I go on now. I just do the thing and just start putting it on. So I really wished I had a sister that I could bond with, but I guess sister, if you're watching this isn't, that's the truth. I mean, but I think listen, there's so much information, like I don't know what to say the wrong thing, so let me shut my hair hole. But my siblings think my father gravitate to me more, so they're not bother with me. Yeah, sad. So I'm just left with my company. I have 4 company literally: mommy, daddy, Odin, Moya. Nobody else. Those are the persons that I text every single day. And then I'll text persons who text me because they want something. Yeah. Other from that, my circle is very small. Very, very small. Okay. Yeah. So guys, my birthday will come up. Wanna give me, I mean, you guys, other from the views, wanna really not give me the likes, them wanna really not give me the comments, them. So wanna give me for my birthday where I come up, like you, what y'all give me? Am I not a nice person? Why don't you guys like my video? Like, why not like the video them? I have 2,000 subscribers. I'm literally never walk on nobody yard and ask them to subscribe. So no, not like the video. Oh, now watch the video them. I put a community post to ask what you really like from me. Once a regular daily vlogs. Me you know. You not like them. You not comment. So I don't know what the problem. I don't know. So yeah, that's what's up for today. So just really feeding with how I really feel like. You understand? Yeah. So I'm gonna spray my little setting spray. In this bottle, I made my own setting spray. I always say I'm gonna launch my setting spray. Like, you know, I was gonna do it. I go out of my way to do what I said I'm gonna do in terms of launching it. Change my mind, no bother with it. My spray I'm gonna forget to put on the highlight. But then I change my mind, like it just all takes my work, whatever. I'm not turning lashes, not turning mascara. So my face look wetty, like a wet rat. But don't worry, that is how the glow kind of come up after. So I made my own setting spray. Should I tell you? I don't know. Just in case in the future I want to go ahead and do that business. So no, I'm gonna tell her now. I want to put on little what is something the name? What is something the name? I didn't want to brand this again. This again. This was a brand that was trending. A black opal, I think so. Or no, black. What did you remember the brand name? Black something. I remember. So get the glow here. Guys, I'm gonna make the Panama video them. Hope and enjoy them, because so you know I'm going out of my way to do these videos, because I really did not plan to go in depth with all of these videos. But I really hope that you guys who are requesting these videos only like take the time to subscribe to my channel. Like these people are so bitter, them want you do things for them and them literally nah give you back that energy. Like, could you subscribe please? Thank you. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna make the video for no still. I don't want to complain. Yeah, I'm gonna make the video for no see up here. So this is what you signed up for when you join YouTube. Give people information after you kind of bring them to a level and you left them empty-headed, and I give them everything else. It's like, you know, they ask you for the rest of the information. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Or I guess I'm gonna put on my clothes and curl up the front part of my ear. I'll come back and end out the video then. So forward. Okay guys, so after making the first 2 videos, I got tired. I'm sleepy. Look at my eyes. I am sleepy, and my phone kind of needs some space to clear up. So I literally have 2 videos for the Panama thing. I have one video that I was doing while I was doing my makeup, and I have this video for school that they asked me to make. So I have to clear up those in order to fit in the rest of videos. So yeah, I'm just gonna come back and end out the video. Like my face bump up. I don't know. Probably makeup brush they will wash. I don't know. Probably. I don't know what one. Yeah. Still using the pear soap that people recommend, that me kind of have the idea some need to use. But I know. But I'm just coming back to end out the video. I hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Share the channel. And I'll see you guys in another vlog. Until then, it's your girl Dominique. Bye.